Yeah.
Your back for me. Marines, huh? I beat you up there. Don't give you much care, do they?
No.
Tell you to suck it up and take some pills.
Yeah. If you're lucky.
Yeah. All right, let's scoot down a little bit for me that way. Yeah. Poor veterans I work with, man. It's just crazy. Come on back here. It's tough because they're trying to get you to, work on that mental aspect of pushing through, but then it's like, you only got one body,
You know what? The training helped me survive last year because
Yeah.
I would have been a COVID victim
wow.
10 times over.
Yeah. Okay, so for this one, we're basically just gonna pull that spine, stretch it out. It's not gonna be too crazy. You may have seen some of these ones where the people are flying all the way off the table. It's gonna be nice and controlled.
Sure.
There we go. Good. Just a nice little stretch in there. Okay, come on up.
Thank you.
You got it. How's that feel so far?
Yeah, I like it, especially the hips. The
Yeah.
hips felt like disengaged from. Got a trailer and it fell off the thing, and I lifted it up. And